Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is about Bluehost website hosting and just how simple it can be to sign up for website hosting yourself, and moving on to designing your own website using WordPress, also part of the Bluehost website. So just a little disclaimer to start off with. There will be a link in the comment section of this video which will take you to the Bluehost website. If you use that link to sign up, that is an affiliate link, and we will get a small commission for you signing up to Bluehost. That allows us to keep making these videos and keep posting tutorials to hopefully help you out with your future website endeavors. So let's get started. We'll click on Get Started on the main Bluehost homepage here. And you can see here's the hosting packages that they have available, ranging from the basic plan at $3.95 per month up to the pro plan at $13.95 per month, with a whole different range of features with each plan. The recommended plan is quite extensive. A lot of people, the plus plan is probably more than sufficient. Even the basic plan, if you only have one website, one business site, a blog, that sort of thing. So decide on which one suits you and select the plan. We'll go with this one for the purposes of this video. The great thing about Bluehost is you do get a free domain name when you sign up. So you either create the new domain name here, getting that domain name for free as part of the package, or if you already have an existing domain, you can enter it here. For the purposes of this video, I'll click on Create My Domain later, just so we can move forward. Simply enter your details on the account information page, choosing any extras as you go along. Enter your payment information, agree to the terms and conditions, and click Submit. That concludes today's video. Hope you can see how easy it is to sign up to Bluehost. Remember, click subscribe and smash that like button. Also, if you're going to sign up with Bluehost, remember there is a link under today's video in the comment section. We get a commission from this, which allows us to continue to produce these tutorial videos.